Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate macarons in Dreamlight Valley. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cocoa bean, 1 almond, 1 egg, and 1 sugar cane. These items are found in various biomass across the valley. Having them ready saves time and ensures a smooth cooking process. Make sure your inventory has space for the finished dish. Now that you have all the ingredients, head to any cooking station. You can find one in your house or at Remai's restaurant. Interact with the stove to bring up the cooking interface. From there, you'll see a list of all the recipes you've discovered. Find the chocolate macarons recipe to begin. Once the recipe is selected, it's time to add the ingredients. Carefully place 1 cocoa bean into the pot. Then, add 1 almond, 1 egg, and 1 sugar cane. Double-check that you've added all 4 items correctly. After confirming your selection, the cooking animation will play, and your delicious macarons will be ready. Congratulations! You've made chocolate macarons. This delightful 4-star dessert restores a generous 1,640 energy, helping you perform more tasks. If you prefer, you can sell them for 587 star coins at Goofy's stall. Enjoy your culinary creation and the benefits it brings to your valley adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.